For your examination, Western Washington University, nestled in the evergreens and overlooking the beautiful Bellingham Bay. How does a university turn the heads of prospective students and faculty? It is this: the construction and maintenance crews, the unsung heroes laying the foundations and maintaining the beauty of all universities. The three persons you saw at the beginning of our symposium will learn the importance of planning and timing in the construction zone.
Okay, today we're going to be talking about timing and perspective. Perspective and timing. Sorry I was late today, couldn't be helped. This is going to explain the new assignment. Tyler, could you close the window, please? I'm sorry, sir, but this noise is ridiculous.
Boy, I'd be upset too. Yeah, that's really annoying. I appreciate you bringing it to our attention. We will look right into it. Sounds to me like it's a matter of timing.
Construction junction, what's the function? Don't be a victim of a safety reduction. Be aware and stay alert, cause I'm willing to bet you don't want to get hurt. But what you really want to see is how it all plays out, how the plans for the future are to come about, and the reality of progress. There is no doubt, but the thought of safety first is what I'm talking about. Men and women working hard, trying to do their job, so stay on guard. Women and men doing the best they can, because the future demand is the order at hand. So let's all keep safety number one, and keep on our toes till the job is done, and we'll all be proud of what we call home, and of the way we play the game in the construction zone.
Timing is the key, the hinge to everything. It's time to move on. Strap your tool belt on, put air to your nail gun. The building now commences. You study for your test, you want to do your best. The sound comes through your window, it makes you move your feet like dancing to a beat. Your test is no problem. Construction zone, men at work, men and women, you better look both ways. Construction zone, men at work, men and women, you better look both ways.
After our excursion into the construction zone, what metaphoric element do we walk away with? Could it be safety, timing? To be sure, But notice how those taking the lead set the tempo. Surely then, it takes an orchestral effort between student, staff, and faculty when moving about in the construction zone.